Hi everyone, I'm Elisa with EECC Travels, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about the Carnival Hub app. So this app's been around for a couple of years, but it's getting better and better as it goes on. Carnival's adding more features to it. So basically how it works, there's two parts of it. You can download the app before you leave on your trip, and you can use it as a countdown. So that's really fun. And number two, once you get on board, there's a plethora of things that it can do. A couple things to note. It is completely free. The app is free. It is free to use on board. How it works is it does use the ship's Wi-Fi, but you do not have to buy a Wi-Fi package. It works for free all around the ship. The only thing that costs is the chat feature. If you want to activate the chat feature, it is $5 per device for the length of the cruise. We find that great. We travel, it's me, my husband, and 3 kids. In this last cruise, we even brought a friend along with us. The chat feature is genius. I can do a group chat that says, hey, it's almost dinner time, go get ready, meet us in the dining room at 6 o'clock. Or don't forget that the trivia is coming up in 15 minutes. Anything like that I can, or where are you? I can't find you. So the chat feature is great. That is the only thing that costs about this app, and you don't have to use it. But if you do, again, it is $5 per device for the length of the cruise. I think that's a very good price. Okay, so how do you get it? You're gonna download it for your app store. Let's show you how to do that. Okay, once you open your app store, you're going to go to search and type in Carnival Hub. Okay, here's the app. I've already downloaded it, so it's in my cloud. So I'm going to click on that to get it back on my phone. Takes just a minute. We're going to open it, and this is what it looks like. So you cannot really use this app until you're on the ship, but let me show you what you can do now. So you can set up your avatar. So choose from your photos, and let me choose this picture. Zoom in a bit on our family. So there's my avatar. Enter your cruise date. So my next Carnival cruise is in April 2019. And boom, there is a countdown. So this is what you can do with it until you get on the ship. Now you'll see right down here at the bottom, I'm on board, log in. Once you get on the ship, you're going to click this and it'll walk you through how to sign in. Once you have your app and you get on board, you activate it. Once it's activated, it's going to work the length of the cruise. One thing to remember, keep it open. If you close the app, your reminders don't work and your chat feature doesn't work. I know me, I harp on myself and the kids, close all your apps, you're using your data. That's not the case here. You're using the ship's Wi-Fi, it's free. Keep the app open. Very, very important. If you close that app, you're gonna miss something. And the good thing is, most of the time, if you accidentally close it, a little pop-up will come and say, did you mean to close me? Or something like that. So that's very helpful too, but just that's a couple things to remember. All right, so let me show you everything that this app will do. Okay, so here's what the Carnival Hub app looks like. This is the home page. So you can see this is the last day. But from here, you can book shore excursions, you can see your pixels, you can click on ship maps. There's Lido, check. Promenade, and you can see everything that's on the ship. Up here in the corner you can go to what's happening, and today is nothing, but see, I can go back to Saturday. These are all the events from Saturday, and you can favorite the ones you want and then click favorites and see there's everything you choose to do, and it will actually send you reminders. So see, there's Friday, and that's all my favorites from Friday. But here's all the different events. So every day you can get on here at the beginning of the cruise and look at every event that's going to happen the entire week and mark what you want to do. Also food and drinks.
So this is all the different food that's available, what time it's open, if it's included or if it costs extra. Here's drinks, all the places you can get drinks. And the neatest thing is the pixels. So you can see all the pictures you've taken. If you did not buy a photo package, you can buy them directly. You can buy a digital copy directly from your phone. So you can see we took full advantage of our photo package. Lots and lots of photos. You can book short excursions right from the app. Open times. So this will tell you what it's open. You can book internet packages from here, so you can get the activate the Carnival Hub app, or you can get a social package, a value package, or a premium package. The wall of moments, everyone on the ship can upload photos. So these are all the different photos that people have uploaded to the wall of moments during this cruise. And see my moments. Oh, well, mine disappeared, I guess. And then the chat feature. See, you can chat with everyone in your party, or you can meet people and you can add them to your chat. So the kids, I think, definitely utilize this. Yeah. So anyway, you can check the weather. It's a very, very neat, useful app.
Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you to see what all the Carnival Hub app will do while you're actually on a cruise ship. The one thing I did not show that it will do is you can check your account statement. So any charges that have been made to your room, you can click account summary and it will pull up everything that has been charged to your room. So that's very helpful. I did not pull that one up. I wish I would have, but I didn't. But anyway, that's one more thing that you can do with the app. So this is a very helpful app. There's a lot you can do with it. So before your cruise, it's a nice little countdown. Once you're on the ship, it's going to be your lifeline for everything that's going on the ship. So like you saw, you can check activities, you can check dining, you can look at your pictures, you can buy pictures. There's a lot you can do. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe for more cruise videos to come. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it really does help us out. And until next time, happy cruising. Bye.